back everybody, Bearded Griller. Today we're going to cook up some pig wings. Why? It's football season. These are awesome. They come pre-cooked. They're super fast, they're super easy, and just super delicious. We're just going to rub them down with a little bit of our yellow mustard. Give something more rub to stick to. Got the barrel house outside heating up. These are only gonna be on for about 45 minutes, maybe an hour, depending. Like I said, they're already cooked. We just want to get them up to that 140-degree temperature. Make sure that we don't have any yucky bacteria, germs, whatnot. These are the 4-ounce ones. I believe you can also get 2-ounce ones, so about 3 of them per pound. What's a pig wing, you ask? It's actually part of the leg. The way it's cut, it's like a smaller shank. I don't know if it's just a smaller cut or if it's off a smaller pig, but I can tell you it's delicious. Alright, looks like pretty good coverage. I'm going to let these tack up. I'll see you guys outside. Barrel house rolling, some charcoal in there. Got some cherry wood we're rolling with today. Like I said, these are only going to be on here about 45 minutes. Figure I'll check them in about 20, turn them. We'll come out after about another 20 minutes or so. Glaze them up with some nice sticky ooey gooey barbecue sauce. We'll rub on that guy. Make sure everybody's looking good. Alright, see you guys in about 20 minutes. Alright, sitting about 145, 142, coming back down. They came out about the 20-minute mark, flipped them, let them go about another 10 minutes or so right now. We're going to baste them up, get them nice and ooey gooey sticky. Yeah. That looks like a good coat. Give them about 5-10 minutes, tack up, we'll flip them, do it again. See you guys in a little bit. Alright, it's been about 45 minutes all together. Let them go about 20 minutes, flipped them, came back, checked them about 10 minutes. They're almost up to temp. Went ahead, sauced one side, let it tack up, flip them over, sauce the other side. They look absolutely amazing. That's like the best rib I've ever had in my entire life on a stick. I mean, ribs obviously come on a bone, but I mean, this is like a little nugget of amazing meatiness. Got just a little bit of smoke flavor from being on there. Good barbecue rub. Nice sweet sauce. Super, I mean, just tender. Like you can just see, like it just comes apart. That right there is barbecue. Football. See you next time. Bearded Griller.